For the stuffing, every single year, my mom, since I was a little girl, has made apple, celery, and onion stuffing. So as many days ahead as you want, because you can freeze this or throw this in the fridge. Chop up some apples, celery, and onion. Throw them in a skillet, a whole stick of butter, 3 apples, couple of large onions, and the heart of a celery chopped. Couple of bay leaves, salt and pepper. So I can turn him off. I cooked him up with some bay leaves. They're tender. For the stuffing, you can buy good old Pepperidge Farm cubes. My mom used these several years. But more often than not, we have ends of bread that we save in our freezer. Cube them up, toast them, just dry them out in the oven, and then season them up with the universal yellow box of poultry seasoning. So I have your usual suspects for poultry here. We have bay already cooked up with the apple, celery, and onion. I have parsley, sage. All right, so we're gonna take all of our fresh herbs, mix that in. This year I decided to mix it up a little bit and use a hair less bread and add in one of my faves, some diced butternut squash. And then I put in all of my seasoned bread. This is a mix of sourdough, whole wheat, and peasant or white. All that together. And then once you get this all together, add just enough stock to moisten this. So you let this sit here and absorb all of that stock. Then you put it in a buttered baking dish with extra butter up on top. That's it. Fridge or freezer, day of, shove it in the oven and bake it off. Done.